This is a tutorial on how to create a social media graphic in Adobe Spark. After you've logged in, click the plus button to create your project. Then click Start from Scratch and then Graphic. We want to create a social media post, so click Social Post, then choose your platform. I'm going to make an Instagram post. Select it and then hit Next. At this point, you can upload your own photo or search for a copyright-cleared image. I'm going to make a post about an event in Hobart Hall, so I'll choose my own photo of Hobart Hall, and then I'll click Next. There are a number of ways to style your graphic, but let's start with the text. Double-click the text box to edit. I'll type my message, and then I'll click Done. If I need to re-edit the text, I'll click the pencil icon and make my changes, and then hit Done again. Move the text box by clicking and dragging. At this point, we can change the font, the justification, left, right, or center. We can change the size of the whole graphic and the spacing, as well as the opacity or transparency of the graphic. If we move down to the Color tab, we can choose from a variety of suggested complementary colors. Choose the one that best fits your photo. I'm going to choose just a simple black and white. Now move down to the Shape tab. Here we can choose the shape of the background object. I'm going to go down and choose this one. Next, we can add effects to the text, such as a drop shadow or an outline. I don't think this graphic needs those at this time. And finally, we can go down to the Style tab, where we can get suggested styles, which will give us some inspiration. I'm going to go ahead and undo that. And then I'm going to move my graphic over and then click on one of the corners to extend it down, shrink it a little, and then position it within the frame. Now, click on the photo. Here we can scale the image or even rotate it. I'll undo that. We can also add filters. I'll click None. Now click outside the photo. This takes you to the main menu, where you can get inspiration from new designs, suggested color palettes for the entire graphic, or even different layouts. I'm going to go back to the Shapes tab and remove the shape. Now I'll go back to Layouts and choose a split screen. I could put a border on it, and of course I'll adjust the position of the photo so that it fills the screen. Remember to use these inspirations for your own unique creative graphics. When you're done, click the Downloads button to save your graphic. And you're done. Remember, if you need further assistance, you can always come to the TSW window and ask for help. Thanks for watching.